What's up? Okay, so what I think you're kind of not understanding is that the baby sign for toy is toy. And in American Sign Language, toy is usually finger spelled. That's baby and English Sign Language. That's not American Sign Language. So bathroom is one hand, it's your dominant hand, and you go bathroom. And then toy is usually play if you do it in American Sign Language, which is Y in play. But if you do it in baby sign language, which is English Sign Language, it's not even a language, it's just hearing people making up stuff. It's like two hands. So it's kind of like, are you trying to learn American Sign Language or are you just wanting to learn baby sign language? Because if you're trying to learn American Sign Language, say play, and then this is bathroom.